Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Abro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make a picture smaller on iPhone or iPad. So guys, for that go to your photos and select the photo that you want to make smaller, and after that in the top right here you can see edit option. Click on edit, and here you can see in the bottom last option crop. Click on it. You can just crop the video and make the video smaller like this. You can also make the video like this by using these options: horizontally, vertically, like this. You can also change the video, rotate the video, change the side of the video, and after that just click the top right done, and by clicking done the video will be smaller than before. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you very much for watching the video.